wanted to show you some of the day-to-day things that I'm looking for, some of the trades that I took today. This is the New York Open session from today. See, our Bollinger Bands were in an extremely tight range. Price had not moved much in pre-market. First candle of the morning, get a Bollinger Reversal Pro indicator signal. I've got this set with a standard deviation of 3 instead of my usual 2. Just looking to catch the extra strong reversals. The candles are being painted red and green from the solar wind indicator. Got a nice big wick on this candle. Solar wind still green. This is the Heiken-Ashi RSI Blend indicator. The Heiken-Ashi still green, but we got a big wick on the Heiken-Ashi too. This next candle we get a Bollinger Band break and a bunch of strong delta coming in. The Heiken-Ashi RSI is turned red. This is the first trade that I took today, and I actually lost this trade. I got in right away and it pulled back a little bit further than I was expecting. Pulled back up to VWAP, pulled back up to the 20 and poked through the 20. I basically closed my trade and then it started dumping. So right out of the gate I was down almost a few $100 in all my different accounts. But once I saw price breaking this previous low right here and a bunch more negative delta coming in, I hopped back in on a short, made all my money back and then some. Disregard this point of control line that changes throughout the day, and also disregard this volume profile on the side that also changes throughout the day. This blue background is from the superior RSI. When I get a background painted from the RSI indicator, I'm waiting for the background to basically disappear if I'm going to take a reversal trade. So if I get the blue background, I'm not looking to just go long and take a reversal just because it's oversold. I want the background to stop printing before I consider taking a reversal trade. This candle, we get some strong delta coming in, but we're still below VWAP, still below 20, had this nice move down. I wasn't in a hurry to get long there unless we had another close above VWAP and above the 20. Came back down to the lower Bollinger Band, wicked off of the lower Bollinger Band here. Pop back up to the center line, which is the 20 SMA. That area held, solar wind turned red again, got some negative delta coming in, dropped down again. This was another trade I took, a long off of yesterday's point of control. See, we came down and wicked off of yesterday's point of control and the lower Bollinger Band. Solar wind turned green, we popped back up to the 20. I've got a whole video that I've done just on yesterday's point of control. On this second test, we broke through yesterday's point of control and yesterday's close. After we broke through yesterday's close here, this orange line, came back up, retested it. Yesterday's close became resistance. We dropped back down from there. After we continued the move down off of yesterday's close and we broke through this previous low here, I got in on one more short, thinking we'll make it at least to yesterday's low. So I definitely love having these levels on my chart: yesterday's low, yesterday's close, yesterday's high, yesterday's point of control. Those are levels I am always looking for, as well as the standard pivots that I have on my 15-minute chart. This is my 1-minute chart. So here we've got the RSI being oversold, got this blue background. We come back inside the Bollinger Bands, and then our solar wind turns green. We got some positive delta coming in. The stars from the Heiken-Ashi RSI signifying a potential reversal. Got a wave signal. Come back up to the 20. Just kind of hover right above the 20 for a little while longer. Get some more positive delta coming in. Got a little push higher. And I did actually take one more trade. When we came up to VWAP, just a little bit after 10:30, got into a short, little scalp short. I was done trading at 10:30, but we continued to get some good signals. Got a Heiken-Ashi RSI reversal star here. Heiken-Ashi's red, solar wind's red. Break below the 20. We get a couple of Bollinger Reversal Pro signals here. We come back inside the Bollinger Bands, take off to the upside. Here we got solar wind turning green, strong bullish delta coming in. Heiken-Ashi RSI Blend is turning green. Pretty much just following the pretty colors here. Following the momentum, following order flow, keeping an eye out for key levels. A little bit after 11, we get some overbought background on the RSI. Solar wind turns red. Heiken-Ashi turns red. Got a reversal star, wave signal to the downside. Have a nice move down. Towards lunchtime, following the green, got some order flow coming into the upside. Then we get an overbought RSI background again. Candles start closing back with inside the Bollinger Band. Get a little reversal star on the Heiken-Ashi. Heiken-Ashi's turning red, solar wind's turning red. Got a wave signal to the downside. Get a nice little move down. So I'm trading this 1 minute chart in conjunction with a 5-minute chart and a 15-minute chart. And then at the beginning of the day, I'm also going over the daily chart. Trading just one instrument, the NQ. And then I'm also looking at order flow on the ES. This is my 5-minute chart. I've got the delta for the NQ and also the ES right below it. These dots are from my ebb and flow strategy that I did a separate video on. Had some nice signals today to the downside and to the upside during the first 2 hours here of the market open. And then I've got my 15-minute chart with the pivot point levels and a 3-day market profile and some cumulative delta on the bottom. And then also my daily chart. No indicators, I'm just looking at levels on the daily chart. See my trade performance today. Had that big loss at the beginning. Copy trading on 5 different accounts. Made it back on that second trade. Took a couple other small micro trades later in the day. Up over 800 bucks, 76% profitable. Definitely not my best trading, but still profitable. So there's another little overview on the things that I'm looking for on a daily basis. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Apex Trader Funding has extended their 80% off sale for the entire month of May now. So until May 31st, you can get 80% off and 1 day to pass. I've got links in the description for all the different toys that I'm using on a daily basis. Anytime that you use my affiliate codes, you get the best prices possible, and you also help support the work that I do on this channel. And it's greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.